Don't just pick them wholesale and apply it.
Because as of when you be done footballers, you told me.
Oh, me say.
I wish you for GhanaNsem TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime video be this way you upload ya or somebody kebi. I wish you for say no. Nyama yako so Ghana no. Especially ba Christo Sumoa. Not. Wow, ye Christo Nibiano. Oh, sorry, you have to be worried about the current trend. Now, trend in this saying, the current trend is say, as for bebre wo. Number one, Yakupon one from say prophet, because uko Bible numa, ye were various offices. Ebimu ye evangelists, ebimu ye apostles, ebimu ye prophet, teachers, any pastors. But say oh God anu die, as a obia person be ye prophet. Adentia, as a prophet nuna Ghana for Eddie reverence Emma Omuza enti. Why nyame afro was apostle crowd they say omu the apostolic net to omu ye prophet come chefo na say omu ye prophets no they say omu free sorry nemo now to becoming political prophet say there as a Ghana ha no nyame asofo bebre a omu ye nyame difo no a omu fra ebi mu ye nyame difo ampara nso ebi mu so de omu na afro mu hu say omu ye difo ba omu nyina no asinyakopon kasa fan nkofo omu asori ne mu biom eye politics any we be winni we say enu prophecies nkwa na eba enna journalists be reveal say before 2024 election no transactions be koso asofo timi ba be ka say me pese me hu honorable say ni say na umano privilege na no ko say honorable met me ashenkom say obe winni but before me ashenkom no say otu amika we tu am say ni say na ofri wo no o san call politician fufro ho say honorable met me ashenkom say obe winni before me shenkom no betu say ni say enti nipa ni sika dooso se ne ni nua no na akoko shenkom no say Yakupon ji kire ne say sa nipa no na be winni election no win no transactional sankrofo no omuko jiska na mo be shenkom omuko jiska omuko jika na mo be shenkom omuko ji nyama bia na mo be shenkom enti those transactions no now na say revelations no eba na ye hu say Ghana ye kan prophecies go for be brave wo ho a omunye asofo omu ye charlatans esa say charlatans no e na omu diska e di tu ne omu yeso na Ghana had the charlatans no omu do so pa ebusanfo yen kona tie the transactions that went on before 2024 election straight to you from GhanaNsem
election 2024 minister of be neto and friend no say massa me dey mon call for no matwe ya omu mfrɛ me timi de me ko hey any 3 days
yeah friend no
apparently he was consistent on that sofo no say on for the main peniphobi or introducing the peniphobi and I call him I was sitting with him nyame me dancing because me there my mom from me ko na from me ko
footballer
I need 3 days 1 week
pochi fi aba
wa shase shenkom
krodo na beton kufu
ni pochi fi aba
bam
I also know obi na me so for me ni introduce of bia I also know obi a ono so no design na say you say e ma me na atoshi na wo dia so for bi ko Israel
okay
ono so twen say ne be ko Israel ni bi wa twen ayem friend da
yo
o se ne mu
me mafia me bom yem
enti enne Ghana nya Ghana kra wi ase ayewi anything that happens will be actually how it will satisfy his or her interest
benefits no
na nkomshe be kwa ho no wo mre hu to know say enya no kure wu ana say free nyame say free nyame
ote ya
entino yamfa na say ni nyina free nyame na no ada yankopon na wo hye nkofo bon na bo hye there was an extension but I say there was an extension
na kira say nyame timi sisa na dwene
enti mumma woni na ho
sabo sama ne tamfo
mumma woni na ho
sabo
Bie wasum.
Na your politics ya ye and they bibia ya possible wo mu.
Everything.
Bibia.
The whole.
Enye chief of defense staff.
Nso akwaji na appointment.
And another dan ko akufado. Enu akwaji appointment.
Oko. Ono kro no.
Ghana airport. Me je na ya appointed no. And this baba man antena ho.
Team ni otim.
Ufi so won kan mu ho a. Mama na antena ho sa.
We so di omo so.
Minerals commission you see. Wa antena ho a. Then this from antena baba no mani here dey no mani bre ya. Ke be you know.
Nka ho de.
And there are some people you think you are working with them because they belong to you.
Omo san ya che.
So
Omo san ya che.
That big
ya. Hey.
Yeah, mama friends. Yeah, mama is so fine.
Cobra. Huh?
Ono kra de be bantem.
Na enkomhye no ebeba. Enkomhye no is not choosing a leader for the MPP. Eye wo na wo kwoto aba no.
Eye wo me ne wo delegates.
Ya mama de akra de eye.
Wo na wo kwoto aba na wo be choose leader. E dey ma NPP. Before election 2024, is it Pastor Mensa Otabe? No no be ka say enya nkopon na choose president ma Omai bia. Wa meka. Na eye niema amoye entiase am wom mu choose mu leader no a blessing pakro.
Sanity. Ono. Okay.
Ya je mpai body o.
Etinya prophecy. Ene yi leader amaye.
The bio.
By enka support.
Etiwa wo support Dr. Baumia support no. I have sat under a prophetic unction for so many years, and I believe in prophecy. Mejin kom she di pa. As much as mejitum se ene asofo ne bi ni wo mo hihye nkom no, ama wo mo ye ne mabia, you will be tempted to doubt the reality of the prophecies that wo mo edeba no. Enti nkomhye no bi ho a eba was our transmission say we efrinyame anase efrinyame anase is it real anase a sentence no message to mu pass still nyame adinfo edaso ewo ho
yes
wo mu nyame no mu kasa nyame so wonder ye wo mu a third eye outside the two eyes na ye hunu me gidi ye pass omu ho enti mejinkomhye di na on NPP's presidential primacy, metumofo na matwoma dwena si bibi so na makaakai mu se he enipa num no de watie no a wo fi se nsem a wo ka abrabo a wo bo osom a wosom NPP ene Ghana he deserves say ono ye frankatufo ema NPP na wo kwoto aba ma no masofu bia nkomhye na adawo masofu bia nkomhye na adawo na nkomhye no nkoa no entimi nchusu a leader enva NPP the decision of the delegates yani ayakoto oba no na ebe chusu leader dey ama the new patriotic party se owura kwabena Japan na wogini die ohwe ne soma wasom abrabo a wabo ni nim de nsam a woka ana wo fi say he deserves to lead MPP to the 2028 general elections now kwoto about the man
sa pepepe
most of bi nkom sha wa hye say ene ye say na me hu wei ana me hu nsoroma ana me hu wei na we sha ta defeater and adaw
ebrinaji
because you are not in a position to know say ayonu ana sam no woka anasa frinyame
na wakoje
de nyame ka ene de wo wate e wo wasum
na wakoje
and what you feel
na wakoje
na nkomsha no adwo wa akire bebrebe ati say hen senjiro for juma yeyi to da wo ti radio su no bi ka asem bi ye kwa to da asem bi ba hwa asem ne pa so ka bi su no obu na ni chie ene bibia esi wa Ghana ha no adwuma hyehyɛ wa akire bibia adwuma hyehyɛ e wa akire me soro no pa ma batena radio so a me kwan ina no ene say enye say BP ba power na Ghana edi ye nku a me free say BP ba power me nsusu ma di ye
petre
me nsusu ma di anu tire mani abra mititi bi so a makwan ahomache ni asore awobremu ni abosunyu ni ebei enti so we ye MPP ni awo akwanya abeto oba ni bi 31st January 2026 a masofu bi nkom hye masofu bi asema waka
influence
you might be sitting under the feet of that man of God by trekonkona ka che say say you kwen kotodwa anim ne bompa ya awurade nyankopon yenso betie
oh yes
wan kasa ya sofu nko a ne bo empa ya o yebetimi na di nkomo
entumadani mwati.
You have to honor your godfather, your pastor, your prophet, your reverend minister, your apostle, your evangelist. Honor them. Serve them. Nemum edru babia. Apply your common sense.
Oh yes, your
common sense. Apochi omupochi.
Enti komisha do na every October ending area November mkwade e better more.
Bebrebe.
Na the way omu be GhanaNsem no. Ebesi susu papa ma wankasa kwa no you be convinced.
Atenasi adwene. Adwene sa adwene.
Because omani no me na team.
And
whatever is happening around us. What the beshan koma wo beje di no
onim da
watwira to onim.
And let me repeat, me say, metenkom shemase.
Legitum pa.
Metenkom shesudi.
Me papa prophet Victor Kusibuatin.
Oye difo.
Oye nyame difo. Me jinkom shedi. Ya shemenkom amanabem. And I also know say, enkom shena ekoso nanse no, adwuma hwehwe ewo akire
bebere no a bebere settings da trato
bebere wo munim se omu huhe omanim se omu huhe
matro
in any case nyankopon se onka se monza anane no
oh dabi da woni ato
enti ene ne wasofu bebrebe na we si nyame si a we si nyame si b
nyame so ya
enti ene ya obi de enya dai enya no kure enya do ya obi de enya no kure ana say let me be charitable here mama nkasa enya no kure maybe obi a hu ni yie menka na sa
na sa fe no obo ho
it can be say obi a hu ni yie
afe nso no obo
ana say he or she didn't interpret it rightly.
That's right.
Intimesrao, oye MPP niya anopai.
Fi wani fe.
Eni panu muno, tiyewe mu.
Sa.
Ask questions. Sa omunsem na omo kano. Busansem wom.
Busakosa.
How practical is it? How feasible are their promises? And don't be moved by the prophecies.
You say, Omaba price.
Don't be moved. Don't just be moved. Don't be carried away. Because I find a year better be pa.
No.
So I saw for the footballers.
October and then November. Mobetin commission no share.
So for the
will give you a reason to subscribe to their prophet because okawe na anu ada ebem okawe abem okawe se say kra no ebinum go put me made ani si na o question them ashenkom na the AI ehwo na yes wo shenkom no previously before assembly besi I'm not doubting the power of God. I'm not doubting our men of God.
Papa oho
na me from no mani ho me ni ho menim so for bia so for papa na emum asem de beto ho no mo a we will also use our common sense to navigate through oh ha no bia fro na abai de ekoi so for no si we na ba renew nti say yenye dai mesrew balod boss na ba ko ginem
so for no scrum mo choice
listen to them and I saw for that board so. I saw for moje board appointment ma omumma. Ebinum kwa ba no ma. Maybe be kroma be bia your interest.
Bibia, everything.
Bibia, nipa bi.
Abusia for so Ataje mine. Japan, a right hand man. In fact, he's one of the most trusted ally of Kennedy Japan. Now, our assembly catch the MPP for movie video no movie I come back. And then someone may buy a can we MPP delegates, we MPP near or Yamba show.
Now what they call for
Just
some of us I see a June, especially now we were assembly or I'm assuming candidacy, especially so can we need primaries in the Quran. Yeah, were Juma Bia, Sabi, you could be NDC for MPP, yes, are reversing. And yes, I have party never says.
so what I tell you my assembly year or say a bracken in Japan lose election 2023. Ni team or no can Japan in a cheat half for Echo ye Jumama NDC. We Bomochi chain a few suase, I barber catcher and say what denchem. Or see Lucy and Omoko ye a Jumama NDC. You see some of us. Ye can't movies are grown a yedi. Me catch them on the things that we know, the things that we see in hardcore evidence are me bogo me phone so and yema NDC for ankasa can Japan and no mukoye duma SN Emma me catch them. You see some of the things that are put out there no and yema we out there the down. But near yam fan barbon, near me fan barbon, me even 1% barbon here, MPP party ni a pebble, I'm telling you. The kind of evil things I can in Japan, yeah, made just even 1% to a bontinya. Party ni bebo and campaign our number away. Anka one nam sana MPP ni be the idea buni cream. I'm telling you. And then you see, into here me Sa can Japan boys no more by my comment section and say no more be the atemaya no more. Yeah, miss. The other time, minya bibi. And I'm sending one of Kennedy Japan allies say, Mohu Bonia Mudi Baomia, Mohu Bonia Mudi MPP. But Bibinti, now you see, Opa quite elected Kennedy Japan as flag bearer, and this is for now, Womu Jai evidence, no move Jai Sanya man a group. And from him, Sanya man, I ain't me found to Abontin, Omu Jayatum from him, and a big collapse MPP because MPP for almost supported by Omia, almost almost party, no. When they get to know all these things, I'm telling you, the party will be ungovernable. The party will have no peace. I'm telling you. And you see, Charlie, some of us we talk with passion because we know we've seen firsthand. We've seen firsthand, and I always say, Obi a new one no more about MPP or MPP sort or MPP or best supporting in Japan, unless they say, oh, you're one of these categories of people. Almost don't say this, you're buying. And the almost Sabek community, almost quack join a Canada, Japan, send a day la one, Mahama, one, a big back of money and prosecute them. Unless it's how yes, I for no, and now your mom, you're that greedy. Mudidi work for Abemo, but you feel say, and you may be an ass and Camunia, when Yantin Mubu bitterness in Timoko supporting Canada, Japan, and I'm one when you're gullible, a man, Jim, I want to politics. I see a moon who said, Sa Papa, we at the MPP or you traitor. In the ancestry, so. I'm with the Muti Yodo Yapobia or Yagidi Yapobia would the atem. Unless say we are one of these categories, or can one of these categories, but me see no true MPP person will support Kenya Japan. And you see, me Charlie, what